How to convert a PDF file into its subsequent JPEG images. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can convert a PDF file into images. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is open any web browser or search engine of your choice. So for example, I will simply search in Google for a PDF to JPG converter. And once I have typed in, I'm gonna hit the search button and you can see this website, that is I love PDF. So from here you can click onto this and it will open the PDF to JPEG converter. So from here you will need to select the PDF file that you want to convert into images. So click onto this select PDF file and from here choose that particular PDF file that you want to convert into images. So for example, let's say this file right here, and once that will be done, I have two options. Either I can convert page to JPEG, so that means that each of the page will be replaced with each JPEG images. So if there are 5 pages, there will be 5 images each, and also you can extract the images by clicking onto the second option, but usually people go for the first option. You can also get a high image quality as well as per your desirability, and then you can click on to convert to JPEG option. And once you will click onto this button, just wait for the download link to be generated and click onto this download JPEG images button right here, and you can see that the download has started and it is a zip file. Now open this zip file and it will contain all of the 5 images of the pages. So you can open them with your gallery and you can see that the PDF file has been successfully converted into JPEG images. So that's how easily you can convert any PDF file into subsequent JPEG images. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.